Hi, I'm Brandon Grant, Marketing Director here at QuoteWorks. In version 5.2 Build 6, we released a new feature enabling users to modify the PO template that is used from the Purchase Orders tab. The Purchase Orders tab in QuoteWorks is a single entry point, so users can view tracking numbers, add serial numbers, receive items, and more through the PO functionality inherent in QuoteWorks. With this new functionality, users will be able to fully customize the PO template used when you email from the Purchase Orders tab. We'll first start by showing you how you can email POs from the Purchase Orders tab, and then how you can customize the PO template itself. Keep in mind that if you're not on the Professional Edition and have the Real-Time module, or not on the Corporate Edition, you will not see this tab available. Click on the Purchasing icon in QuoteWorks, and then click on the Purchase Orders tab. You can use the filter to narrow your purchase orders list. For this example, I'll just change the date and filter to this week. Right-click on one of the POs and choose Email PO. This will open the email window in QuoteWorks and show you the default PO template. In this email window, you can make changes, but your changes won't be saved for future uses. It'll just be for this specific email that you're sending. Since we want to make changes to the template itself, so we don't have to make the changes manually each time, we'll need to close out of this window and go back into QuoteWorks. So we'll also need to close out of the purchasing window. Before we show you where to make these changes, keep in mind that this PO template was created using HTML. So therefore, we highly recommend only those with HTML experience make changes to this template. Okay, so let's move on. Click on Tools, Customize Email Templates menu option. This will open the Email Templates window. This is where all the email templates in QuoteWorks are saved. At the bottom right corner of this window, you'll see an easy shortcut to get to the HTML PO template. Go ahead and click on this. This will open the HTML PO template. Now we can make any changes that we'd like. At the top right, you can change the view to the HTML source code if you'd prefer to work in that type of environment. Down at the bottom of the window, you will see the Insert Macro option. Here you'll see a full list of the available macros, so you don't have to guess which ones will work and what the proper syntax for them for this particular template. For example, if I wanted to add a new macro, such as logged in user full name at the top, so we have a record of who sent this PO, I can make a new line and add the macro. We can even bold, change sizes, change fonts, really make any other adjustments to this particular template that we'd like. However, changes such as adding a new table, maybe customizing the color of the tables, then you'll need to get into the HTML code for this document. That's where having that experience is going to be very important in order to make those types of changes. So as you can see, minor changes are pretty easy to make here. Any extensive changes to this particular document you'll want to do in HTML and just require some HTML experience in order to do so. All in all, this feature is designed for more experienced users to further brand and customize the QuoteWorks installation so you can include your logo, change styles, and more in this PO template. Thanks for watching.